Booting up my Apple IIc from 1984, booting up DAZZLE. So the first option here is we're going to hit enter. So this is the DAZZLE interface with the mouse. This is old school mouse from 1984. What I'm going to do in this tutorial, let's say you have a client and you need to design something, like a logo. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. So what I'm going to do is go to the mouse here, and I'm going to go to Tools, and then I'm just going to use Paintbrush. And then down below you see I have all my options down here. So what I want to do on this logo is this is going to be a really fine logo. This logo is just going to say hello, and I'm going to just do a part of this because this isn't exactly high speed. There we go. This is the hello logo I'm doing right here. And check out this mouse. This is a single button click. And that's it right there. That's creating a logo in DAZZLE. This is how it was in 1984. And of course, that's not a logo per se. All right, let's go to File. And then we're going to go ahead and save. And I'm going to save it as a picture.